Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm gonna be playing with dirt. So the reason I wanted to make this video is because I watched one of the Mythbusters videos, and they wanted to see if you could like form a sphere, a ball out of like almost anything. It was mostly poo. I'm sure some of you have seen that episode, but it was kind of interesting. So I decided I was gonna see if I could make like dirt balls, or form things out of dirt, like clay. And so I am going to show you how I did that. So I got a bunch of water right here, and I'm just gonna dump it in this dirt pile right here and kind of mix it up. Because playing with dirt is always fun, right? I like playing with dirt. You can become a kid again, have imagination, you know? Because when you get to an adult age, the imagination goes away. But anyways, so you want it to get to like a certain consistency, and that consistency is like almost, it becomes like a clay consistency. And it's not like not overly muddy or watered down, but it's also not dried out, because it won't form, or it won't hold its shape, and it'll start to crack a lot. So it's kind of like that. I mean, that's more on the wet side, but it's sort of like that, if you can see. It gets to about like that stage, and you can also knead it around and it'll dry out quicker. But it's kind of fun because, I mean, I don't know, it's interesting that you can find, like, you could just use mud. You don't have to go buy clay at a store or something, because for the most part this can form many different shapes and actually hold its shape, hold its form. So it's kind of interesting. Let me see. What I like to do is kind of like roll it around like this so that it doesn't stick, because it starts getting like that and it gets all over your hands, and then you just go like this because it's like frosting. But anyways, let me roll this around for a bit. The other thing I like to do is get some water so that it's like clay. I mean, in a lot of ways it is. Here where I live, there's a lot of clay in the actual dirt, like our dirt, and so that can be good, and it can be like a good and bad thing for certain like things you're trying to grow. Like grapes, you can, like, you know, in Italy and stuff, they grow like grapes for wine and stuff on like very rocky and very like crappy dirt, you know. It's very dry, not very good soil, but it could be good and bad for many different things. Oh, it's starting to rain. But anyways, see, it starts to form like a ball like this, and it does hold its shape. I mean, for the most part, it's not as good as clay, but it's pretty good. You get to like that form, and since we are like the Food Network here, I already have some made. So that's like when it's wet and still gonna need to be dried. But I made these. It's starting to rain, like I said, so that sucks, but I'm still making this video. But it turns out, and this is pretty hard, and it's held its shape very well. Man, it's coming down. Why did it have to rain right now? Whoa. And then I made like a wafer thin, like mud slab type of thing. So this is kind of like what the Indians use and stuff. Right here I put some texture on it and stuff. So thought that was kind of interesting. But tell me if you try it and how your soil works. If you want, post it in the comments. And just wanted to make a quick video on it. Thought it was really cool. I'm gonna get out of the rain. This is crazy. What am I doing?